Okay guys, here we are with the HD immobilizer version 2.0. Okay, now check this out. This one has a completely touchless arming switch. Okay, so this one I will take my key fob or my key that's provided with every kit, swipe it over where I have the touchless arming switch is located. Here you can see. And then the system is armed. With the system armed, you can see this is version 2.0, different LED now, offering blue. The immobilizer is armed, and you'll see here that car will not start. Okay, and then what I'm gonna end up doing here is take my key fob and I'm gonna go and swipe this the same as before. It's a touchless disarming switch, so I'll go and disarm it, and then the light will turn off, and then I'll go and turn on the car, and the car will turn on. And then to arm the car again, take the key fob, boom, armed, all touchless. They will never see what hit them because they will. It's something that you don't even have to flip. You don't have to touch nothing. Everything is touchless. Okay, everything is touchless. Watch. Bam, touchless.